Hello traders, hello friends, I'm Coach Jay, and for today's video, we will be analyzing the USD CAD. Okay, so just to remind you, merong high impact news later kay CAD, 8:30 PM, meron din sa USD ko. So expect na magkakaroon na naman ng volatility sa market. Okay, so kaya bago tayo mag-trade, we have to analyze first. So that alam natin kung ano yung magiging plan natin for later if magkaroon na ng mga confirmation. Okay, so tara, samahan nyo ako. Okay, so starting here from the monthly time frame of USD CAD. So here from the monthly perspective, we can see that the price is inside this ranging market, no? So the situation here is in sideways market condition, meaning nagre-range lang ang price between dito sa resistance na to and sa support area na ito. Okay? So for many occasions, kapag pumupunta ang price dyan, ay nagkakaroon ng move to the upside. Okay? So just recently, nagkaroon ulit ng bounce dito. So expect na magkaroon pa rin talaga ng move to the upside. Okay? Right. So let's go down to the weekly time frame. Okay, so here the situation, if we will see the current price. Okay, so naririto siya sa area ng resistance. Okay, so very strong din tong resistance na to. Okay, so pag pumupunta ang price dyan ay nagkakaroon ng bounce pababa. Okay, so therefore wala pang signal sa atin na we can look for a buy, okay, or long opportunity. So before we go down to the daily time frame, let's see the COT report. Okay, so as you can see dito sa COT report na for Canada, okay, so kita nyo last January 23, nasa negative 8,400 ang net position ng mga big institutions kay Canada. Pero as of latest report nila ng March 19, negative 37,148. So clearly, nag-add pa sila ng mga short positions nila. Okay, so kita naman natin yung very aggressive na additions ng short. Okay? Alright, so dito rin yung kanilang short, no? 82,900 versus the long of 45,761. Okay? So let's go back to our chart. Alright. So here in the daily, okay, so magiging interested lang sa akin ang USD CAD if magkaroon ng breakout dito. Okay, para pag niretas niya tong area na to, I can look for a buy opportunities. Okay? So, ngayon, very clear, wala pang breakout dito sa resistance na to. However, ang price naman ay nagke-create na rin ng series of higher highs and higher lows. However, nire-respect niya pa rin itong resistance na to. Okay, so I think that's it for USD CAD. So abangan natin maybe later or hanggang tomorrow kung ano yung possible na direction ng USD CAD. Okay, so syempre hindi naman tayo nag-a-assume kailangan lagi tayong may confirmation. So ayun lang mga friends and traders. See you next week kasi medyo vacation mode muna ako ngayon. Kaya dahil as you know, Holy Week dito sa Philippines. Kaya kita-kits ulit tayo next week. Bye-bye!